Hello everybody, this is Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come to here because my personal work. So dear friends, you can see this location is very amazing. So dear friends, behind me one cow and another type of animals. So dear lovely friends, behind me paddy field, already paddy harvested already. So dear friends, one of the big field, paddy field, you can see behind side one hill, and my another side on road, and my another side and all around side very beautiful place, and my behind side one tree. This tree, I don't know this tree because my another side one with my one friends, he is blogging video making at this moment.